Hi, it's Nina. Well, hello and welcome again on Now I Know channel. And today's video, we're going to talk about how to unlink YouTube channel from TikTok. So let's get started. Well, first, after getting the application, and when you tap on your profile, so as you see here, the YouTube channel is linked to TikTok. And to unlink, simply tap on Edit Profile. And from the YouTube option, we have the name of the channel here, which means that it is already added and it is linked to TikTok. So to unlike, tap on the YouTube option and simply choose Confirm to unlink YouTube channel. So when you go back to your profile, you're gonna find that the YouTube link was deleted from your profile on TikTok. And this is it. Thanks for watching. See ya.